Three Crowns is here today to pressure wash our house in advance of painting it. Jeremy and Josh are getting set up. Josh is applying the 30-second cleaner. You can't help but get the water on the windows. A little bit of deck cleaning too. Already done on this end. It's nice and clean. Sorry for the wire.
Oh, it's okay.
Wave is not very responsive.
I can just stay on the side of it anyways.
You see where it was run clear up along the roof there? There were two cables. One was dead, so I don't want it on the house anymore.
So Wade's gonna come take it off?
Yeah, they're supposed to reroute it through the attic. Josh has the quiet job, but a little bit more mechanical work, the hand pump.
Yeah.
45 minutes later, the house has been cleaned and washed. We have a pretty small house, but they are pros at what they do. And in about 3 days, it'll be ready to paint, but I think it's going to be painted in about a week's time.
Thank you.
Did a great job. It always seems better when it's not you having to do it.
Yeah, I